Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can convert a JPEG or a PNG to an SVG file to upload on Cricut or any other place that you need to upload an SVG to. It's super simple. So here's my PNG file, and let me go ahead and show you what you need to do. Okay, so you'll just need to go to pngtosvg.com, which is png2svg.com, and you can scroll down here to the end, and you can either drag the file or you can drop it in here. I'm going to go ahead and add that. Okay, and then it'll show you the PNG that you want to convert to an SVG, and all you do is click the generate button and then just give it a second. It says reducing image, and it's going to convert it to an SVG. 18%, 26, 34, 42. Alrighty, there you go. This is an SVG file, so it was that easy. And you would just click download SVG file, and I will go ahead and show that to you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and upload the SVG file that we just converted. And let me go to browse. And I saved it on the desktop. And there it is. This is the SVG file. Excuse me. So we just save it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.